learners! It's Missy here, and welcome back to Missy's English, your cozy corner for learning English. How are you doing today? I really hope you are feeling happy, and I hope you are feeling hungry. Yes, hungry. Because today, we are going on a food adventure. We are going to a restaurant together. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine a nice, warm room. Can you hear the music playing? Can you smell the food? It smells like fresh bread. It smells like garlic and tomatoes. Today, we will practice ordering food perfectly. We will also learn how to complain politely, because sometimes the soup is cold. I will be your personal guide. We are going to use the active guide method today. That means I won't just leave you in silence. I will coach you through every single word. I want to hear your voice. Are you ready? Let's open the door and go inside. First, we meet the host or the waiter. We need to ask for a table. Listen to the full sentence first. I would like a table for two. That is a long sentence. Let's break it down into small pieces. Repeat after me. I would like. Your turn. Say, I would like. Good. Let's do it again. I would like. This is very polite. It is better than saying, I want. Now, the next part. A table. Say it clearly. A table. Nice pronunciation. Now, combine them. I would like a table. One more time, very smooth. I would like a table. Perfect. Now, how many people? Let's say there are two of us. For two. Your turn. For two. Now, the whole magic sentence. I would like a table for two. That sounded wonderful. What if you are alone? You can simply say, a table for one, please. Try it. Don't be shy. A table for one, please. Excellent. The waiter takes us to our seat. We sit down. The chair is comfortable. But something is missing. We don't know what to eat. We need the menu. Sometimes the waiter forgets, so we have to ask. Listen to this phrase. Could I have the menu? Let's practice the start. Could I have? You say it. Could I have? Listen to the sound. Could I have? Could I have? Good linking. Now add the object. The menu. Say it. The menu. Put it all together. Could I have the menu? And don't forget the magic word at the end. Please. Could I have the menu, please? I love how polite you sound. Okay, we have the menu. It is big. What do you want to drink? I am very thirsty. I want some water. Let's order drinks. We use the phrase, I'll have. This is short for I will have. Repeat the contraction. I'll. One more time. I'll. Now add have. I'll have. Try saying it quickly. I'll have. Good. Now add the water. I'll have some water. Very natural. Maybe you are tired. You need energy. Do you like coffee? I love coffee. Let's order a coffee. I'll have a coffee, please. Try it again. Focus on the please. I'll have a coffee, please. You are doing great! Stay with me. We are getting to the food. Now, we are really hungry. My stomach is making noises. Grumble, grumble. Let's order our main meal. What looks good on the menu? Let me look. I see chicken. I see fish. I see salad. Sometimes we don't know what to choose. We want to ask the waiter for help. Here is a great question. What do you recommend? Let's practice that word. Recommend. You try. Recommend. It means, what do you think is good? What do you recommend? That is a very native phrase. The waiter says, the chicken is delicious. Perfect. Let's order the chicken. I'll have the chicken. Remember, I'll have? Let's use it again with confidence. I'll have the chicken. Nice. What if you prefer pasta? Let's try that. I'll have the pasta. Very good pronunciation. Do you want salad with that? A salad is healthy. Let's order a side salad. And a salad, please. Let's put it all together into a big sentence. Take a deep breath. I'll have the chicken and a salad, please. Wow! You said a full, complex sentence. Be proud of yourself. Now, we have a serious moment. Imagine you have an allergy. Maybe you cannot eat nuts. This is very important for your safety. Listen carefully to this question. Does this have nuts in it? Let's practice the first part. Does this have? Repeat that. Does this have? Now the ingredient. Nuts in it? Make your voice go up at the end. It is a question. In it? Full sentence now. Does this have nuts in it? Very good. That could save your life. Or maybe you are vegetarian. You do not eat meat. How do we ask? Is this vegetarian? One more time, clear and loud. Is this vegetarian? You are asking great questions. Now we wait for the food. Here it comes! Yummy! It looks amazing. The waiter puts the food down. What do you say? We say two simple words. Thank you. Always say thank you. It is polite. Wait. There is a problem. Oh no. The soup is cold. You need to complain, but we must be polite. We are not rude people. Start with, excuse me. Excuse me. Repeat that. It gets the waiter's attention politely. Excuse me. Then state the problem gently. This soup is cold. Don't shout. Just say it as a fact. This soup is cold. And then ask for a solution. Could you heat it up, please? That was perfect. It was firm but polite. Let's try another problem. This is not what you ordered. You ordered chicken, but you got fish. Excuse me. This is not what I ordered. Try that again. This is not what I ordered. Very good. The waiter brings the correct food. Now we can eat. It is delicious. This is delicious. Try saying that word. It has a nice rhythm. Delicious. It means very, very good. Okay, we finished the main meal. I am getting full. But there is always room for dessert. I have a sweet tooth. Do you? Do you like cake? Let's ask for the dessert menu. Do you have a dessert menu? Good! I see chocolate cake and ice cream. Let's order the ice cream. I'll have the ice cream, please. Don't forget the aisle. It sounds very natural. I'll have the ice cream. Yummy! Now we are truly finished. It is time to go home. How do we ask to pay? We ask for the bill. Now listen, there is a difference here. In America, we usually say check. In the UK, we say bill. Let's practice both. First, the UK way. Can I have the bill, please? Very nice. Now, let's try the American way. Can I have the check, please? Perfect. Sometimes you just want to ask the price directly. How much is it? Let's practice that. How much is it? Listen to the rhythm. How much is it? Try it again. How much is it? Wonderful! You have finished your meal. You ordered water. You checked for allergies. You ordered pasta. You even ordered ice cream. And you paid the bill. You did everything perfectly. If you know these phrases, you can eat anywhere in the world. Isn't that a nice feeling? I think so. You worked very hard today. I am proud of you. Learning English takes practice. It is like cooking. You have to try again and again. But you are getting better every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. It helps us grow our cozy corner. And tell me in the comments, what is your favorite food? Do you like pizza? Do you like sushi? Let me know. Thanks for learning with us today. Keep learning. Keep smiling. And I'll see you in the next English chat. Bye-bye.